Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up and organize shipping zones in Shopify so you can avoid unexpected costs for both you and your customers. A shipping zone is a geographic area where a specific set of shipping methods and prices applies. In Shopify's default settings, zones can be as broad as entire countries or as targeted as specific regions or states. So let's jump right in and create our first shipping zone. To start, go to Settings. Shipping and Delivery tab. Choose the shipping profile you want to configure, or create a new one if you need separate shipping zones for different products. I'll add a shipping zone inside our main profile, so let's click General Profile. In this section, you can create and manage shipping zones along with their corresponding rates. I'm selling my products across the entire United States, as well as in certain Canadian provinces, such as Ontario and Quebec. I already have a shipping zone added for the United States, so I'll add a second zone for Canada and restrict it to 2 provinces. By the way, if you want to edit an existing zone, simply click the 3 dots icon next to the zone name and then select Edit Zone. To add a new shipping area, click Add Zone. This opens a configuration window where you can define a new country or a region within a country. So now give your zone a name. Enter Canada in a search bar and you will see Canada below. If you want to create a zone for the entire country, check the box next to the country name. In my case, I'll limit it to just 2 provinces, so I expand the list of provinces and select only the ones I'm interested in. Finally, click Done. Now we have our shipping zone set up, so the final step is to add a shipping rate. To do this, click Add Shipping option under your newly created zone. Give your rate a name. Below you can select the rate type from the drop-down list. For this example, I'll use a flat rate since it's straightforward. Now, let's add the rate $29.99 and set the transit time 3 to 5 business days. Finally, click Done and save changes. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a shipping zone on Shopify. If while setting up shipping in your store, you find that you need more specific shipping zones or more advanced shipping rates, I encourage you to try our Shipping Rates Rules and Zones app. Our app lets you create precise shipping zones for any country or region. You can focus on specific cities or set up custom zones using postal codes. Thanks to this, you can create separate shipping rates for any region. Additionally, you can create shipping rates for specific product groups using product tags or SKU code. You can also generate rates based on the number of products in the cart, or display different rates on weekends versus weekdays. All of this can be configured in the Shipping Rates Rules and Zones app. You'll find the link to the app in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.